3 calves, yearlings, and about 5 cows. That's a good sized bull.
Elk Opener 2020, how you feeling?
Great. Dark, cold. We're on a mountain. We don't know where we are. I think this is when you send an SOS.
No, we're just waiting for sunrise so we can go get posted up on this group of 10 we found. Hopefully Dad, Grandpa, and Madison are set up where they need to be, so if our loud asses scare them, they get a shot. I know where we're at. We started about 1.5 miles from where we had to go. I said, let's go right. Harley here said, let's go left. I decided to not argue. We went left. We are now 2.5 miles in, and just as far from the starting, or from where we were supposed to go, as we were when we started. Just taking a little break, pretending like we're glassing, but we know perfectly well there's nothing out here.
My feet hurt. I have blisters on them. I never thought that I would say I would rather go uphill than downhill, but I would.
But we'll figure it out. We'll get out of here.
Or we'll die.
We're going for it again. Wish us luck. See, way easier than you thought. All right, guys, how we doing?
Almost there.
Almost there. Tired?
Can you?
Hike's coming to an end. No sign of elk. Bummer. So we got rained on, hiked our butts off. I broke my phone, which is how we got what little film we managed to get, and I broke the driveline in my truck. But I gotta say, we still had a pretty good hunt. Like I said, broke my phone, so that's why we have this setting change, why I'm closing out the video here in my childhood bedroom instead of up on the mountain. But as you saw, we saw elk up until season opened. Opening morning, managed to take a wrong turn 1.5 mile hike into 8 miles. Avoided being on the same mountain range as 20 other hunters opening morning, so maybe it's a good thing. But we did have a good hunt, got to spend a lot of quality time with Dad, Grandpa, and the sisters, and ultimately really enjoyed our really expensive camping trip. Now, I gotta go shave this homeless man beard that I've grown this last week off. Leave-ins tomorrow, so they wouldn't like it if I showed up with this. Get to head back to Vegas in the morning, and then hopefully from there, maybe we'll do some coyote videos, maybe try and get a mountain lion. Been trying to do that for 7 years with no success. Fishing videos or something. I don't know. want to start doing videos, though. I want to start uploading. Something I've wanted to do for years, and I've finally decided with this hunt, we're going to do it. Was hoping we would have managed to fill one of the 5 tags, which we didn't, but I still had a great time, and I hope for those of you that stuck to this point, you enjoyed the video. If not, we can only get better from here.
Oi, Cranky! You smell that? It smells like elk!